What's up everybody, Ted here, Dirty Habit Off-Road here in the Outer Banks, North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you this 2014 Jeep Wrangler that we have for sale. This Jeep came in completely stock. Everything that was upgraded and modified was done here in-house. This is a Polar Edition, has only 84,000 original miles, 6-speed manual transmission, leather seats, heated seats, new 4-inch lift, new wheels, tires, bumpers, roof rack, fender flares. It's got it all. We got this Jeep in. Of course, we inspected it. Everything looked over. Brought it in the shop. We did a 4-inch suspension lift. Some new coils all the way around. Fox shocks. We also have a dual steering stabilizer. We have a forged adjustable front track bar. High steer kit. No corners were cut on this Jeep. We also undercoated the frame and undercarriage. So no issues there. Just a super clean Jeep. Then we put on a brand new Rhino front and rear bumper. Good looking bumper. The stubby nose looks great with the Bushwacker fender flares that we installed. Also in here is a 20-inch dual row LED light bar. You have a rough country 9,500 pound synthetic winch. Clear lenses up front. I don't know, the orange ones or the amber colored ones just really kind of throw off the front end in my opinion. I love the clear lenses. This one also has Quadratec's LED headlights. Also the Polar Edition, you have your gloss black bezels. Love the hood on this Jeep. Over here again, Bushwacker fender flares front and rear. They look really good. LED light there. 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. You got the 18-inch Icon wheels, gunmetal gray with the black ring. Really good looking wheels. Looks awesome on this Jeep. Just kind of goes with the whole theme of the Jeep or the color combination. Paint and body's in beautiful shape. There's no damage to the Jeep. There may be a ding here or there that I'll try to point out. There's one there. It's on every single Jeep out there for the most part. DV8 roof rack. I had lights I'd ordered to go on the roof rack, but they had not arrived yet. So if you're the buyer of the Jeep and you want us to put them in, we can. I can just go over a price. You have your Rubicon style rocker guards there. We also taped these up, scuffed them, prepped them, resprayed them for a brand new appearance. Just one of the things that comes in where they're always faded. So we go the extra mile just to try to make everything look as good as possible. New black lug nuts in there as well. Again, frame and body's in great shape. All right, we got the Rhino rear bumper. Your tow hitch. You got LED cube lights inside the bumper, and they're wired to a switch, so you can cut them on at your leisure. Matching fifth wheel and tire. I love the look of this rear bumper. You have your hooks, your spot for some D-rings. All right, go up and down the passenger side, same thing. Paint body's in beautiful shape. This Jeep runs and drives every bit as great as it looks. Factory steering wheel, I'm sorry, steering wheel. Factory windshield. It does also have the factory steering wheel. We've actually started to create our own little Easter eggs for the front windshields. Black leather interior, Seats are in great shape. You also have the Polar insignias in the seats. The leather's in good shape. Shows you typical little wear lines, but no rips, no tears, no cuts. Carpets are in amazing condition. We really didn't have to clean this one up too much at all. Everything was very well cared for by the previous. Door jambs are clean. Door panels. Your Polar, you have the white accents there. The little Polar badging inside. Your white stitching. Honestly, back seats look like they've never really been used at all. The whole back area, the backs of the seats, the carpets, very little to, if any, wear. I love these wheels. Got the Alpine subwoofer. Again, just super clean. Even this back area doesn't look like it's been used. I do have floor mats somewhere. Even all your nuts and bolts are in great shape. Typically you open these up and you'll see some surface rust on these components and parts, but not the case with this Jeep. I mean, in my opinion, this Jeep's a 10 out of 10. Looking for the keys are right there. 2 keys, power windows, power locks. You have your white components there on the steering wheel. You also have your Polar dash panels, whatever you want to call them. All right, we're gonna hop in. I do want to point out, if you see any pixels jumping around here on the dash, that's not the case. It's just like how Jeep looks like it's flickering. That's not the case here. It's just how the camera picks it up. Check engine lights on. It's for a thermostat, I believe, or a I forget what the other thing was, but either way, that will be getting taken care of, so do not worry about that. It's the end of the world as we know it. Heated seats work. Alright. Again, this Jeep drives every bit as great as it looks. If you have any questions or would like to purchase this Jeep, my name is Ted, Dirty Habit Off-Road. You can call me at 804-852-4907. You can also email me at ted@dirtyhabitoffroad.com, or you can call the office 252-491-4900. As we know it. Cut that off. All right. Thank you very much.